Phrasal verbs combine a verb with a preposition or adverb to create new meanings. Today we learn go away. This common phrasal verb has three main meanings for beginners. First, it means to leave a place or person. Second, it means something disappears. Third, it means to go on a short trip away from home. Understanding context helps choose the right meaning. Go away appears in everyday English conversation. Please go away I need to be alone shows telling someone to leave. The headache would not go away even after medicine means pain that continues. They decided to go away for the weekend means planning a short trip. Notice how tone changes the meaning from polite to strong. Go away shares meaning with single words. Leave means departing from a location. Depart sounds more formal for leaving. Disappear describes vanishing completely. Vanish works for magical or sudden disappearance. Beginners should practice matching go away with these synonyms in sentences to expand vocabulary. Go away follows three clear patterns. Pattern 1 - leaving a place. Just go away and leave me alone shows strong dismissal. Pattern 2 - disappearing. The pain will not go away means symptoms persist. Pattern 3 - traveling. Let's go away for the weekend plans relaxation time. Context determines which pattern applies. Informal speech uses stronger expressions. Get lost equals go away in angry situations. Beat it pushes someone away quickly. Scram demands immediate departure. These phrases appear in movies and casual talk but require confidence. Beginners should recognize them before using in real conversations. Practice builds confidence with go away. First sentence - please go away exclamation I need privacy shows polite dismissal. Second sentence - the clouds finally blank after the storm expects go away. Third sentence - why don't you blank and leave us alone also needs go away. Fill blanks mentally then check answers. Go away means leave disappear or take a trip depending on context. Daily casual conversations use this verb frequently. Multiple meanings require sentence context for understanding. Regular sentence practice builds natural usage. Master this phrasal verb to sound more like native speakers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.